friends, it's Amanda here, and today we are going to take a look at this Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit set. I picked this up during the VIB sale. There are quite a few new to me formulas in here, and I was definitely very much drawn in by the two full-size products. This is already a really great value. It's retail priced at $45 US, and it has a $125 US value. But because I snagged this during the sale, I ended up getting 20% off of the $45 price tag. So I really feel like I got a super good deal. Considering the retail prices of the full-size lipsticks, the Charlotte Tilbury one that I was most interested in, this is the Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. That one alone is priced at $34, and the other full-size product is $18. So just those two products alone are well worth the value that I paid for this. Now, there is one product in here that I already know is not for me personally, and that's the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, this little lip gloss. Now, it's only a sample size, so I don't feel too bad about it, but I just wanted to throw that out there here right up front because I'm not going to be lip swatching that one. We won't really be missing out on much because it is just like a little clear, shiny, little icy, sparkly gloss. I'm going to put that in my giveaway pile because I will be doing some mystery box giveaways pretty soon. I usually do those around the holidays, so I will save that. I'm not going to compromise it by putting it on my lips. I'll save that and put it in my giveaway box. That way somebody else can hopefully enjoy it. It's a plumping gloss, and I just don't like how stingy and tingly it is. It's just not for me. Maybe it's for you. I know it's for a lot of people. It's a really popular product. I personally just very much dislike it. So I would rather keep this lip product clean and pristine and give it to somebody else. But other than that, I'm going to lip swatch all of these. Some of these are way tinier than I thought they were going to be. I'm going to zoom in and we're going to take a close-up look at these lip products and do some little lip swatches. First up is this Matte Trance lipstick from Pat McGrath, and this one is in the shade Vendetta, a really bright red. Next little baby lipstick is from Give. Is that how you pronounce this? This is the Gwen Stefani brand. This is the original recipe lipstick. A very Gwen color. She's known for that red lip look. This one's a classic. I'm sure that I must have worn this before. This one's from Urban Decay. It's their Back Talk lipstick. This is a cult favorite shade for Urban Decay. Then I'll just give you a close-up of this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Like I said, it's just a little clear, kind of shimmery holographic gloss. This is one I am definitely very interested in because I really like NARS lip products. I like a lot of NARS products. I thought that these were the same when I saw the image of this at first before it arrived to me. I thought this was just a mini of this one. So this full-size lip product that I have here is the NARS Oil Infused Lip Tint in the shade Orgasm. This is a different product. This is the Afterglow Lip Shine Gloss in the shade Orgasm. So as you can see, so when you see them side by side, you can tell these are definitely not the same product, not the same color. I've used a lot of this oil infused lip tint, but I'll do a little side by side swatch so that we can see the difference. Here's the oil infused lip tint, and then this is the Afterglow gloss. The color is definitely different. The oil is a lot more pinky, the gloss is more peachy, and the oil is much more sheer wash of color. The gloss has quite a bit more pigmentation to it. So these are pretty different. Here is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. Pillow Talk is to Charlotte Tilbury what Orgasm is to NARS. This is their shade that they just make everything based off of. Then we have the Rare Beauty Glossy Balm in the shade Nearly Neutral. After trying pretty much all of these on, all with the exception of one, I have to say, I think that this is a really, really nice set. There's a lot of good variety in here. I can see myself wearing pretty much all of these. Obviously, I'm going to give away the Lip Injection Extreme. I just don't like those really, really intense plumping lip products. I don't love this Give lipstick color either. I much prefer the red from the Pat McGrath option. I love that there's a great variety of colors, finishes, textures. There's definitely something for everybody in here, and I think this would be a fantastic gift. If you have a beauty lover in your life and you're just stumped on what to get them, especially for somebody who already has a lot of products, a set like this is a wonderful way to give the experience of makeup without having to cater too much specifically to somebody's own skin type, skin tone, that type of thing. This is just going to be a really, really good gift. I would be super happy if I had this under the tree, and I'm somebody that has a billion products in here, and I would still be excited to get this. So I think this is a fantastic gift, or you know what, maybe it'd be a good gift for yourself too. I'm the last person who's gonna judge you if you get yourself a gift. You know what? You deserve it. I would love to hear what you think about this set. Which shade was your favorite? Did you pick this up or anything else from the Sephora sale? I recently posted my haul, so you can see everything that I picked up from the sale. And there are quite a few other things that I'll be doing dedicated videos on. So if you're curious about that, make sure you go check that video out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! But other than, ma'am, are you also distracted by this eyeshadow look? Because I know I am. I filmed this. I really like this eye look. Okay, I gotta focus. So, what? Do I already own this? I think I might already own this. Hold on, let me check. I guess not. I couldn't find it anywhere. It definitely feels familiar though, so that's weird. I probably should have waited to do the reds last in case they stain, but it's too late now. The other red looked better. I mean, this one's fine. It's just more of like a strawberry pinky color, and I prefer the undertone of the Pat McGrath one. It's just personal choice. Does anybody remember the Black Talk palette that they made? I don't think that it had very much success. I don't remember it having very good reviews. Pretty sure I got it in PR and I didn't like it very much. Weird, huh? Maybe they were trying to make that their like Pillow Talk Orgasm, you know, like a shade that they make into everything. Can you think of any other brands that have that? I want to hear about it, because those are the only two that pop into mind for me. But I'm sure there are others. Who else just like plays out one shade over and over again? I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Tell me. Oh, hello. Hello, ma'am. Maggie says hi. This gloss is so shiny. It looks like straight up grease. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but I'm just saying. They said lip shine and they meant it. Ooh, zoned out there for a minute. Maggie gets so confused when I'm filming because she hangs out in my office with me. When she hears me talking to you, she sometimes thinks I'm talking to her. Is this how they all feel? I really thought this was gonna feel like metal, but this is definitely plastic. Do they all feel like that? Huh, interesting. I really like the shape of this lipstick a lot. It was very comfortable to apply. The color's fine, the formula's fine. The packaging was a little bit, I mean, it's pretty, it's just a little bit disappointing to hold it in your hands and realize it's not actually metal. But, you know, formula-wise, it's fine, it's cute, but the shape of the lipstick, I think, is really the, like, best part. I honestly think if you love this, if this $30-something lipstick is your favorite thing and you wear this and you're like, yay, I'm happy, then I think it's worth it. To me, would it be worth it? Personally, no. There are other lip products that I like more, that make me happier, that feel more worth their price tag. But if it works for you and makes you feel happy, then it's worth it. I just think, you know what? The world can be a really difficult place to exist. And if a $34 lipstick brings you joy for a couple of seconds every day of your life, go for it. A small price to pay, in my opinion. That's just me. Man, this dog needs a bath. Oh yeah, I did it. And speaking of treating yourself, I was saving this until after I finished filming this video, and now it's Reese's time, baby. You know, I think I'm just in a good mood because my eyeshadow looks so good today. It's the little things in life, truly, truly. I filmed this look and I was like, well, I have to film another video now because my eyeshadow looks so good. I need to show this in another video. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, poor little doggy. I scared her. All right, that's it. Thanks for hanging out here with me and my holiday earrings and my holiday releases. We have so much holiday-centric content coming up because not only do I have a bunch of holiday releases to review, like this one, but I also have a bunch of collab videos that I'm going to do with other creators around the holiday times, and it's going to be super fun, and I cannot wait. I'm excited. I'm excited. I should have like 5 to 7 different collaborators. I'm still waiting on a couple people to confirm. It's a busy time, you know what I mean? Are you okay? You know, it's a busy time. People got a lot going on. Either way, it's gonna be fun. Did you hear that? Alright, well I guess that's my cue to go pet my doggie because she is asking for my attention yet again. She's been very needy for my attention today. Maybe she just needs some hugs and some snugs, you know? Probably not. She's not really that kind of girl. But anyway, thanks for hanging out. You're awesome. I'm happy you're here, and I will see you real soon. Okay, bye!